Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is where I always dish out amazing content about motherhood. I share amazing recipes for both babies and adults, and I also share tips, meals for healthy lifestyle. Kindly like my videos and subscribe if you are yet to do so. So today I'll be showing you how to make beetroot puree for babies who are 6 months and older. So to do this beetroot puree, I'll be adding some carrots, and they're high in vitamin A and they're good for babies. I would also be adding some dates which are going to be serving as a natural sweetener. They're also nutrient dense. Honey shouldn't be given to any child who's less than 1 year because of the health risk involved. It causes botulism. Yeah. So you may want to ask, why beetroot? What are the benefits of beetroot? At 6 months, the iron stores in babies begin to deplete. So during weaning, usually around this age, it is very important to incorporate diets which is high in iron. This will help prevent anemia. So, beetroot is high in iron, and it's also high in antioxidants, which help protect our cells in our bodies from damage and cancer. So it is also said to have anti-aging properties as well. Beetroot is rich in calcium for supporting and maintaining growth of bones. Yeah. It is also good for brain health. It aids memory and our thinking faculty. Beetroot is high in nitrates, which help us build boost our energy level. It keeps us active all day long. Beetroot is high in fiber, yes, and this helps aid in digestion and is great for intestinal health as well. So I'll be steaming them for about 10 to 15 minutes. I use my rice cooker because it's multi-purpose.